Good afternoon. How are you? How you feeling? I want to talk about this great news, first of all. And then we're going to talk about everything that you need to know about naturalization and green card under Trump, okay? Let me introduce myself again. My name is Bijoux, Ngwanda, as you know it. I am an immigration lawyer based here in DC. However, I do have clients across the country and around the world because we are dealing with complex US immigration law cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, go ahead and share, like. Don't forget to comment below. Also follow me on all platforms. Links are in the description box below. I don't know about the TikTok ban, but anyway, so YouTube is always our main streamline. So this is where we do most our videos. So anyway, if you don't see me on TikTok, just come here on YouTube and IG as well. We're trying to grow IG as well and Facebook page. Jesus, you guys are not going on Facebook page. I don't know why. Anyway, what's going on is that this client just got approved of the green card. The green card got approved, but it has been pending for 2 years and couple months. Basically, we apply on August 11, 2022. And then the I-130 was already approved in last year on April, I believe 15, 2024. And the green card was still pending. So we were just waiting for the, you check online processing time, you cannot file an inquiry. And then when it was past processing time, when it allows you to file an inquiry online, we file an inquiry, but USCIS will not respond to us. So what we did is we told them that we are going to file a lawsuit, because if you do not respond within this time frame, we are just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and file a lawsuit and be done with it altogether. I sent them a strong letter, because this client of mine is already 76 years old. Come on, why are you gonna just be holding on this green card for this person who's 76 years old and the wife passed away, and you are just gonna be playing on this green card? So I had to send them a strong letter threatening a lawsuit, because exactly that's what we were going to do. Because my client, he's 76 years old. He wants to go travel since he's a widower. He just want to go and to France. He want to go places because the wife already passed away. He has limited time to live on this planet. He want to take advantage of it. So we sent them a letter, strong letter, and 3 days later, we received a request for evidence for medical exam, because the previous medical exam, mind you, it was in 2022, right? The previous medical exam had already expired. That's when they haven't come with this new policy that says that after, I believe, November 2023, the medical exam is no longer expiring. But that one was on the medical exam of 2022. So essentially it was already expired. So we had to do another medical exam. Come up with another, form. Then we submitted it like a week later. After 1 week of submitting it, we got an approval. No interview, because there's no need for interview. And mind you, this is a client who had a asylum pending for almost 7 years. And we did file a mandamus lawsuit on that asylum pending. And then we did actually file a mandamus lawsuit after we file a expedite. No, this is not the one that we file a mandamus. This is the one that we file expedite request, and then they were trying to go ahead and trying to just do our USCIS. Then we treated them with mandamus loss, and then they responded, and then they did the interview, and then and they got asylum. So, but this green card was based on the family based, because the child petitioned for the parent, but he already had asylum granted, but he wanted his green card because that's his right. It was two different petitions. Asylum was already granted, but we had to file expedite request, treating them with mandamus lawsuit for that particular asylum case. And then now for the green card that was pending based on I-130, it took too long for them, 2 years and a couple months. So, but anyway, the problem is resolved. This is why sometimes you really need a lawyer, because even when it's a straightforward case, the pressure from the lawyer helps. And if we had to file a mandamus lawsuit, we will do it anyway, and we will find a solution. They know that. That's why they responded quickly when we told them that we were about to file it for one. So approved. It's a great news for him, and now he's already planning to leave the country once he gets the physical green card and go some places. I'm just really happy for him. This is a elderly parent, and I'm just so happy for him. Anyway, moving along. By the way, I'm gonna have an interview. If you see me well dressed today, it's because I'm having an interview, and it's going to be streaming on Apple Pay, and it's gonna stream on your local channel, local news. I'm gonna tell you once it's gonna stream and which channel you can watch me for that interview and other attorneys. We are gonna talk about this Trump mass deportations, provide some insight, what to do, what not to do, just to have a broader perspective on what's gonna happen once this new president takes power on January 20th. Okay, so just stay put. I'll let you know for sure. Moving along, everything you need to know about naturalization under Trump. If you're filing for naturalization under Trump, you have to make sure that you file your taxes. Do not owe IRS. File your taxes. If you're getting your naturalization based on your spouse, US spouse, file jointly, period. Even if you're not getting based on spouse but you're married, just file jointly to avoid any type of lacking good moral and character type of thing. Yeah, that's number one. Number two, do not provide any false information on any other application. That's just a rule of thumb. Just don't do it, because misrepresentation. What's going to happen under Trump is that they are going to go back and look at those green cards. If the green card was issued in error, or if there was some type of misrepresentation, meaning that the person was not lawfully admitted, then therefore the person is not eligible for the naturalization. Remember, you have to have been lawfully admitted. That's when they go back and verify your entire green card application. Make sure that all your information are correct. Yeah. Number three, verify document. Verify document, okay? Do not give false document. Verify document. If it's a divorce decree from previous marriages, just make sure that you go on the State Department.gov website, look on the civil document. You will know exactly what is needed as far as what is acceptable by USCIS when it comes to your particular country of origin where you got your divorce from, unless you got your divorce here through our legal system here, right? Okay. Number four, avoid excessive travel. There is a person who got denied US citizenship because he stayed outside of the country for more than 180 days. And he couldn't show intent that he intended to return and that he has strong ties here. The application just got denied. So that specific person, really, to be honest, if the person had a lawyer, they could have overcome that continuous presence requirement if they had enough document to overcome that requirement, because there's an exception to that requirement. But, you know, people always come to you when it's already denied. It's just like, yeah, now we just have to wait to refile. Okay, but anyway, so avoid excessive travel. And the new form has good ideas. It's really specific on how many days you can stay outside, how many days you have to be physically present, depending on what statutory requirement you're filing your naturalization under, right? Just look at that instruction forms. Instruction form basically for the application for naturalization. If you have child support, do not be behind in paying your child support. You have to pay. It's actually a crime failure to pay child support, if you didn't know that. And then what else you can do? Yeah, if you have criminal records, previous criminal records, just have all your court, if a charge was dismissed, depending on the sentencing, whatever that the judge said, just have the records ready, everything well documented, so you don't miss out on anything, so you don't get a denial. But to be honest with you, under this new administration, really you're gonna need a lawyer for those naturalization applications, because it's really gonna be denied like never before. And if you do not have one, you need one, please schedule a consultation by using the consultation link in my bio. By the way, we'll have our live session next week, Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern time. You can always bring your questions. We'll try to answer them. Everything you need to know about, maybe I should make a second video for that. I'll hold on for the everything you need to know about green cards under Trump until my next video. Anyway, please go ahead and share. Please go ahead and like. Let me know if you need a consultation. We are here to help, to provide guidance. We've been successful, especially negotiating with ICE. I'm negotiating with ICE in New York as we speak, and in New Jersey as we speak. So if it goes well, I'll let you know. So we can have those skills. That's why we are basically advertising here in terms of if you need help, need an attorney, please schedule a consultation by using the consultation link in the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye. Thank you for sharing, by the way.